Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 healthy 1 ingredient weight loss juice recipes that will help you lose 1 to 2 kgs in just 1 week. Minimum weight loss is 1 kg, but you can lose more than 2 kgs, but it depends on 2 factors, that is your metabolic rate and your activity levels. So based on these factors, you can burn more than 2 kilos. So let's find out. You need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into 2 halves. Take a glass of cold water and squeeze both lemon halves to extract the juice. Then add 2 pinches of pepper powder. Now this is optional. Stir well and drink this juice along with an apple as an evening snack. Lemon is a miraculous weight loss ingredient. It has cleansing, detoxifying and purifying properties that helps you get rid of those stubborn fat naturally. So drinking this juice also keeps your skin clear and acne free. You need 1 big radish. So here I am using white radish. You can also use the red one. So radish can be peeled or unpeeled, but I prefer to peel the radish. Then chop it into smaller pieces. Add into the mixer and then add 1 glass of water. Grind well. Strain the juice into a glass. Add some rock salt and enjoy this drink with an apple as an evening snack. Radish are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help cleanse your liver and stomach. It helps lower your cholesterol and increase your fiber intake, aiding in weight loss. It also prevents pigmentation and sunspots. So you need 2 tomatoes. So here I am using 1 large and 1 small. You can take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Wash the tomato. Now boil tomato for about 1 minute or until the skin starts to peel back. Remove the tomato and drop them into a bowl of cool water. Now peel off the skin. Add the tomatoes into the mixer. Pour 1 glass of cold water and half teaspoon of rock salt. Blend well. Pour the fresh juice into a glass. You can also add a pinch of chaat masala for taste. Tomato is enriched with vitamins, fiber and fat burning amino acids, which is known for their fat burning abilities. They also promote clear and fairness. Enjoy this refreshing drink as an evening snack. For this juice recipe, you need half lauki, that is a bottle gourd. Peel and chop the lauki and add into the mixer. Add 1 glass of water and some rock salt. Grind well. Now strain the juice into a bowl. You can also add some fresh lemon juice for taste. Pour into a glass and enjoy this cooling and nutritious drink and watch the pounds melt away. Bottle gourd is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is widely used for weight loss as it is extremely low in calories. It cleanses the entire system. It cleanses the blood, due to which your skin remains clear and it makes your skin glow. Having a glass of amla juice regularly for 7 days will not only help in weight loss but will also promote youthful, glowing skin. Take 3 medium-sized amla, chop into small pieces. Add the amla pieces into the mixer. Then add 1 glass of water. Grind well and strain the juice. Pour the juice into a glass. Add honey for taste. Now this is optional. Amla Health maintains a youthful look as it contains a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C. Amla has 20 times more vitamin C than compared to an orange. It will take years off your face by fighting the effects of premature aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, spots. So enjoy a glass of this juice daily to lose weight and to get younger looking skin. So these were the 5 amazing juice recipes that will help you lose weight and will also help maintain clear, youthful, glowing and bright skin tone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and to watch more such amazing videos, hit the subscribe button below. Take care and bye.